Hello, my name is Shannon, and I'm going to use this video to walk you through the website I designed. As you will see, I provide a brief overview of myself on the first page, along with some images from trips I've taken in the past. From here, there are a couple of different ways to navigate. The first option is to click the Next button. The second option is to use the menu on the left. I'll be navigating with the menu on the left. From here, we're taken to my philosophy on teaching and learning. Basically, I strive to encourage my students to communicate in Spanish by making an environment in which they feel comfortable doing so. I also have an image of actual guidelines and a video that links materials I have studied in the past with my students. I'll go ahead and click the Next button now. We're now on a page that links to the blog I've made. The blog provides an overview of a variety of tools that can be used to integrate more technology into the Spanish classroom. Perhaps most importantly, the blog provides some lesson ideas along with a description of the tool. As you can see, there's information about Flickr, Infogram, and more. When moving to the next page, we'll find information about Voicethread. There's an overview of the tool, as well as a brief video that shows what it looks like when I use the website. There's also advice about using Voicethread for assessments, troubleshooting strategies, advice for including all students, and tips for best practice. Finally, I ask you to fill out a form to provide feedback about the information I provide. Next, you will find information about Canva. This includes an overview of the site and instructions for using the site. I've included tips about using Canva for assessments, as well as advice about accessibility, best practices, and troubleshooting problems. I have also provided a snapshot of a project I made on Canva to give you an idea of what you can do on the website. Finally, I request that you provide feedback on the information I have included. Last but not least, I have a page about Google Arts and Culture. This includes an overview of the tool, as well as a video of what it looks like when I explore the website. There's information about assessment strategies, guidance for inclusion, and tips for best practice. I have also included some links that lead to other useful resources. Near the end, you'll find information about my own experience with this website and a survey in which I ask you to provide feedback on the information I have shared with you. The last page includes a reflection of the needs of my colleagues and the video you are listening to at this moment. Finally, I have designed this website with accessibility in mind. I've used deeply contrasting colors such as black on white and white on purple. This ensures those that struggle with color blindness can read the website. All my text is indented to the left, and my images include alternative text to ensure those using screen readers are able to explore all elements of the website. The use of lists and headings also aids in the use of screen readers. Finally, all of the videos on the website include captioning, which was created by uploading a script into YouTube and editing the produced captions when necessary.